See it there? The Unruly Wallabees is on the street right now. Clark's call for Popcaan for the new sauce, for the brand new Clarks.
Rasta transportation, you know. Rasta transportation to the world. TV, you know. I love me YouTube, Deep Roots TV. Yeah, man. See real roots, them, the man. The real roots.
See it there? Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nation. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaican. It's Rastafari, so the year of Deep Roots TV. A brand new Clarks on deck. So if you're not hit the red subscribe button yet, hit the red subscribe button and let's get set. Ladies and gentlemen, Clarks. Where you get them new Clarks, the daddy? Clarks call on Popcaan for the unruly sauce. The new Wallabee kicks are here today. Popcaan got his first collabs with Clarks Originals over a decade after he lent his voice to his Vybz Kartel massive hit, and the Wallabee recognized anthem for the brand. UK-based shoes brand Clarks is known for its collaboration and endless designs to choose from. Back in 2010, when Popcaan asked his former mentor Vybz Kartel, where you get them new Clarks, their daddy? He could not have pictures having his very own personalized pair on the market. The DJ is collaborating with new unruly collaboration with Clarks Originals, which features his very own red and black design brand and unruly motif throughout the camo printed. Ladies and gentlemen, Clarks tapped Popcaan for collaborating efforts which sees the classic Wallabee Sowetos transform into a very innovative design and fits it perfectly with Popcaan's own piece of his unruly clothesline. Over on Instagram, the Unruly store budded. The Unruly shop boasted north of 2,000 followers and more than 150 posts trending design, including sweatsuit, jewelry, mask, hoodies, t-shirt, and more, all of which are effortlessly complemented by the Unruly Wallabees sweatos. Ladies and gentlemen, the shoes features two fobs, one which recognizes the Clarks Original brand and another Popcaan name completely with a sneezy monogram, in the campaign photo. The Unruly Boss post a top of the black Mercedes Benz G-Class as he danced as a dancehall star, is clothed in a full black with hint of red fabric peeping through the Clarks Wallabees sweatos tie outfit together perfectly. Meanwhile, Popcaan has apologized to the London fans of seemingly snubbing the city routine for his upcoming UK tour late this month. While the London show is noticeably cut from the lineup, Popcaan has stopped to Sweden, in Ireland, Germany, France, Norway, and more. To my loyal fans in London, my deepest apology to everyone, the dancehall star wrote in the Instagram post announcing the date. We still bring Unruly Fest to London. Y'all get more details soon. I love you all and thank you for supporting my movement all these years. In a statement from Popcaan's team explaining the reason behind cancellation, Unruly management said the cancellation has been caused by the non-former critical member of the team who failed to complement the fully critical milestone of the preparatory stage on the production. However, they are adamant that Popcaan is doing his best to facilitate the new date in London. Despite his setback, Popcaan remained committed to making his right. He is determined to reschedule the London concert, providing an unfortunate experience for all the fans. He added, London fans have the DJ Very's own customized class originals to enjoy while he worked out the kinks in making the show happen. The Popcaan X Clark's original collab is now available to shoppers on the latter's official website. What a great situation, ladies and gentlemen. It's a sweet, sweet situation. If you're still with me, I'm going to let you hear the commercial, you know, with the audio in it. You deserve it. More life, man. More joy. I'm going to turn on the audio upon it.
What is an idea?
Congratulations, Popcaan, Johnny.
Come on, sheets. Assist me. Oh, man, I'm going to find this clock store without no reception. What is this? Excuse me?
Yes.
Do you know where Clark's is?
Yes, if you go across the road, you turn left, straight through the car park, and then you turn left, and then you come to a little alleyway, you then turn right, and then you go left again, then you see a pub, and then you see the Clark's sign.
Okay, thank you so much. Oh my God, what did this lady say again? Clocks looking fresh. Up yourself, Killy. Load them up. All of them I got yard. Everything I got Jamaica.
Everything I got Jamaica. Oh, you mean, Popcaan? Big up, my brother. More life, more joy. Subscribe, like, and share to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Popcaan has now collaborated with Clarks and have him on Unruly Clarks. Big up the unruly boss. More life, more joy. Subscribe, like, and share if you like to see the young youth them strive. This Rastafari. Yeah. Popcaan got his own Clarks. How are you? Unruly boss.
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people, I put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy like them and who roll the thunder. Deep root flashy like them and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them fret and look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs full of say you can't turn ya. Fire key, Rastaman and a real fire key. Whoa, fire key, Rastafari soldier real fire key. Yeah, Balalang,
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in here every time.